Hello everyone, this is Shubham. Welcome you all once again in my channel, that is Shubham Tech. In this video we are going to discuss about third wave of COVID-19. My primary motive is to make this video to aware all of you that the third wave of COVID-19 can be how dangerous. According to the government official information, the third wave of COVID-19 can hit in our country between September to October. Scientists has told that when will peak of third wave is come. According to the mathematical calculation formula method, scientists predicted that they claims that the third wave of COVID-19 would be at peak in November. Such then only will happen when any other variant of COVID-19 in front of us instead of Delta variant. A new study has come in which scientists found that there is going to some glitch in 40% recovered patient from COVID-19. A special type of test has been performed in Delhi Government Hospital of 134 recovered patients from COVID. 40% out of 134 are facing problem due to the abnormal behavior of lung. Cause the reason is that the lung has 4 chamber, upper side 2 chamber and lower side 2 chamber. 30% out of 40% are facing issue with the left one chamber and the remaining 10% are facing issue with the right one chamber. So what we analyze here, we analyze whatever patient recovered from COVID-19 passing through sort of symptom. So these are the following symptoms that can be easily seen in the recovered patient from COVID-19, like lung speed increases and decreases, problem in breathing, maintain tiredness during the whole day, struggle to maintain concentration in work, cough, stomach pain, rashes on body, headache. So this was all about third wave of COVID-19. But before I wrap up, I appeal once again to all my viewers, continue to maintain COVID appropriate behavior, that is remember to wear a face mask and also ensure that you maintain physical distancing when you step outside. Take care of yourself and your family. Get vaccinated and stay safe. Thanks for this watching.